Alright, so picking up where we left off. So I went ahead and I found a tool, actually this guy right here, that if you notice the curvature of the tool end here matches up ever so nicely with the curvature of the edge. So I just went ahead and lightly tapped and pounded out, worked it all the way through back and forth until I got the edge nice and curved again, and now the top is, for the most part, as you can see, pretty flat. If you want to check it, flip it over here and you look, you see here where it meets the table, and aside from a small gap, you got a nice smooth line that meets the table, and the curvature of the Mac's lid is now uniform most of the way through. So now that we got that difficult part out the way, we got to go ahead and make our repairs to this guy right here, and we're gonna have to go ahead and JB weld the the connection that has been broken between the mount there and there. Let's see if I can get that into focus. There you go. And the other one that was broken up here in the thin spot where the camera, you can see right there, boop, 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 see it's broken. Alright, so it's going to go ahead and be my next step. Just go ahead and use any type of JB Weld metal bonding material, whatever you want to use, whatever tickles your fancy. And once we get that glued back together, then we're going to go ahead and, if you notice, see where all the little glue marks are around the outside of that? Well, we have to go ahead and mix and apply a nice thin coat of JB Weld adhesive to there so that we can stick it back in the right position on our screen. Now, something to note is as you remove that piece, your little tiny mounting, this is actually the mounting backs, this is, the back mounting screw hole is actually removable. It's a little tiny piece, and that's what this guy is, and these fit right here. Now you got to make sure you get both of them in before you glue it back together, because once you glue it down, you're going to be SOL if you forgot to do it. So you can see they go right there, and another one goes right there. So we'll go ahead and JB Weld that piece back together, and then we will put JB Weld on the bottom of all of this. And also another thing to note is up here there's a little magnet that fits right under here, and be sure, see, it'll fit like this. And if you notice right there, this little magnet must be put back under there before you glue it on. So I'll leave off right there, go ahead and get that glued back together, and we'll pick up on the rest of the screen replacement.